Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, Shibadoge, of course, is currently trading with about 16 zeros, and with so many people believe that Shibadoge can reach the level of Shiba Inu. A lot of people believe this is the new Shiba Inu. Shibadoge is a combination of Shibadoge and Shiba Inu coin. Now, just if 1% or 2% of Shiba Inu community and Dogecoin community can buy and hold Shibadoge, we are going to expect a massive increase in price. Now, Shibadoge developers are doing their best. One thing I found out and I love about Shibadoge is that for the fact that this coin have about 16 zeros, deleting 3 to 5 zeros will definitely return over 1 to 10 million%. And one important thing is this coin, the developers are doing their best to make sure Shibadoge will keep pumping. Remember earlier, Ethereum Wealth, of course, they have interest on this coin. They bought Shibadoge. And one important thing you need to understand is that Shibadoge have got listed by a few crypto exchanges. And I believe their roadmap, of course, they have been doing wonders. What I mean by they're doing wonders is that they have been achieving on their stage 1, stage 2, what they promised, they actually fulfill it. So, the developers fulfilled their stage 1 promise, they fulfilled their stage 2 promise, now they're on stage 3. So, are they going to fulfill their promises on stage 3? What are the major promises on stage 3? Number 1, they said Shibadoge will get listed by what? By Bank, by Crypto.com, and by Get.io. Wow, 3 top crypto exchanges to list Shibadoge, and these 3 can influence the price of Shibadoge, the market cap of Shibadoge. Oh yes, they can influence the movement of Shibadoge. Let me tell you one important thing to understand. Crypto.com have over 10 million global customers. Get.io have millions of customers. And Bank have millions of customers. One important thing to understand about Shibadoge is that Shibadoge can delete between 2 to 5 zeros soon. In the next few years to come. If they can really get this listing done, if they can get even more exchanges listing Shibadoge, and also if Shibadoge can delete, can burn at least 70% or even 50% of their supply, we will see Shibadoge in a different level. Oh yes, I still believe that yes, that partnership can go through. I believe more exchanges can come in like Bitcoin, Hotbit. I believe they can really push the price of Shibadoge, and let's hope that Shibadoge will definitely return good profit in future, because I want to see holders making good profit to Shibadoge, and I hope that Shibadoge can really become that next coin that will be pumping in 2023, 2024 and other years to come. And I believe Shibadoge have come to stay, and want to see Shibadoge keep increasing in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.